back, even as the COVID vaccine has started to reach to the states, one of the biggest challenge ahead for the mega vaccination program is to reach the remote and the inaccessible regions like Northeast India. To beat this, a part of the domestic terminal of the LGBI airport at Guwahati has been dedicatedly turned into a nodal hub for the vaccine.
Domestic cargo terminal of the Lokapiriya Gopinath Bordolo Airport in Guwahati. Now this domestic terminal, you can see the entrance of the terminal on my left. This terminal has been turned into a nodal hub for arrival of the COVID-19 vaccines in the Northeast. So in this domestic terminal, the vaccines would come and they would not only arrive here, they will be dispersed to other parts of Northeast India from here, and also here in this terminal, dedicated cold storage have been now made ready to store the vaccines, which will be either be flown in from the Serum Institute in Pune or from the Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad. In fact, you can see here, this is one of the three cold storage that the domestic terminal has, and this has now been dedicatedly kept for ready for storing the COVID-19 vaccines which would come in, the Covishield as well as the Covaxin. In fact, about 10 tons each in each of the cold storage you can store. Now what happens in the Northeast is that Northeast, not every place has a airfield. A lot of places in Northeast are remote, and when the vaccine process starts perhaps on a larger scale, then this hub will see more movement of flights. The flights will come here right from directly from Hyderabad and Pune, and first the vaccines would be loaded here, will be kept here in the cold storage, and subsequently each of the state governments of Northeast will send their refrigeration vehicle to carry it forward to their respective states. So there is challenge of weather conditions. The weather conditions in Northeast, particularly states like Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Nagaland, keep on changing. So even using smaller aircraft and choppers at times becomes difficult. So keeping in mind that kind of a situation, enough space has been created here in the nodal hub at the cargo terminal in Guwahati to store the vaccines for not only Assam but different parts of Northeast India. In Guwahati, Ratndeep Chaudhary, Find It TV.